Alright, you guys, so I'm back with another mod to finish up to the Banjo feed boat. So boom, what I did was I got my 1/2 inch breaker bar, put it on the tensioner adjuster right there, stuck it in and just turned it, I believe it's counterclockwise. Pull it back, release the tension, pull the belt off. That's what I did right here. I still got it in the same orientation. All I would have to do is catch the power steering and the alternator when I want to put it back on. So what I'm gonna do is release there's 3 bolts, 13, 1, 2, and there's another one down on the bottom, right in that recessed hole. Swivel this bracket to the side and get to the high feed banjo bolt, the stock banjo bolt behind the alternator bracket. There's another one behind here. Just need to do some more homework before I tackle that one. But I would definitely have a video on this one. All right, so for the people that have been running, where's that 4th bolt? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, that's easily to find right there. The last one is right there. You just gotta clear up the dirt around there. Felt like there wasn't a bolt there, but there is a bolt there. Clean out the dirt, tap your socket on, get a, you know, if you can't get it with your regular ratchet, put a pull on there, a little bit more leverage, and you crack it loose, and now the whole bracket is loose. All right, so guys, now that I got the 4 bolts out, so the way you get more leverage to get to this bolt right here, that fuel banjo, you want to lift and pull forward with the power steering bracket while everything is still connected, as you can see, lines and all. So I'm just gonna pull forward. I got the fuel bowl open and it's draining right now. I got the once that's drained for a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and attack this one banjo bolt on the driver's side head. So I don't know if you guys can see, but down in there I do have the bolt about hand loose, so I could loosen it with my hand. So boom, there you go. When you take these off, you want to make sure that the rubber O-ring that these usually have comes off with the bolt. So same situation you will have like with some oil filter jobs where the gasket will stay on the block. Same situation can happen here. So as you can see, O-ring is gone. I mean, O-ring is right there on the old bolt. I'm just wipe up. This is a 10mm. I'm gonna get it in hand tight and then go the rest of the ways with the ratchet. Oh, I dropped the bolt. I got it. There we go, good. Let's get that in there, not on the block. I mean, not on the floor. It's just hard to see this hole. There we go, we're in the hole. Let's tighten her up. Alright, I'm just gonna tighten this up. It's hard with one hand, trying to show you guys. Oh, I got it. Alright, hand tight. Let's go ahead and grab our 10mm. Let's snug her up. Okay, now that we got our 10mm on there, we're gonna go ahead and snug her up. You don't gotta overkill, not even a ugga-dugga, guys. Just get it nice and snug. That feels about right. complete the process and put everything back together. All right, so now you guys, we got most of the bracket bolts hand tight. I'm gonna go ahead and snug them up. I do not know the foot-pounds of torque, so I'm just gonna go off for like 13 ooga-doogas. I'm gonna get in the X pattern first, tighten it up like that. Tightening up the bolts across from each other. Same thing you would do on a wheel. So this bolt is about like 8 to 9 o'clock from the power steering pulley. Now I'm gonna snug these up real quick. I'll be right back. Now just make sure your belt is on every single pulley, nice and straight. I need to actually change my belt because it's starting to tear up. Pulleys is on, belt is on, and now we just have this side to do. And again, just a bit more homework. Now that I'll let you know where that fourth bolt was and is, the video on it. Enjoy and knock yourself out.